construction designed to be self-sufficient and operate. Airships are designed to use solar energy and other sustainable technology and to minimize waste during construction. Airships make use of recycled materials such as solar panels, and other sustainable technology, and to minimize waste during construction and throughout their use. Tires are packed with dirt to form load-bearing walls and high thermal mass. Long sun-facing exposure with window surface which are solar panels conducts the heat. It is stored in the walls and released when the surrounding temperatures drop. Interior and non-load bearing walls often incorporate with glass and plastic bottles arranged in artistic fashion. It allows light to pass through and enhance the beauty of the designs. Water management use maximum use of rainwater. It is stored in the pipe and then went to underwater tank, and it is used for drinking, bathing and washing dishes. Instead of dumping this water straight to waste, it is cleaned and used as a second time for growing plants inside the ship. It is not wasted again, but it is used as a third time to operate flush toilets. Now my friend Vardha will tell you about electricity.
Good morning, my name is Vardha and I am from class 5 Yahoo. Today I am going to tell you about renewable resources of electricity. Airships are designed to provide comfortable and stable interior temperature by the balancing heat of the sun and the thermal of the earth. Heat is admitted by allowing the sun in. Homes can be cooled by admitting the cooler temperature of the ground. The electricity is generated when the sunlight hits the solar panel and it produces an electric current. This electricity can be used to right way like fed to the electricity or lit and stored in, that is for later use. This electricity can either be used right way, like the solar electric technology is now advancing quickly in popularity, and the designs have been adapted in many world in different climates. There we can use the electricity in different parts like fuel, coal, and waste of animals. But all these pollute atmosphere while being producing energy. Thank you. And now Isha will tell you about kitchen gardening.
Thank you, Vardha. My name is Isha and I am going to tell you about the process of kitchen gardening. Kitchen gardening is the process of growing your own fruits and vegetables at your home, which produces much more reliable and healthy fruits and vegetables. This process uses peels of fruits and vegetables as manure, which is healthy and it's nutritious. This process is called compost. In this process, kitchen waste is dug into the garden of a house and mixed with weather leaves and soil and left for 15 days to turn into a healthy manure. Through this process, we can save our land from garbage landfills and recycle kitchen waste. The best place of growing a kitchen garden is any small piece of land at your home with premises which expose direct to sunlight for at least 6 hours a day. These gardens are watered by the process of drip irrigation, where the water flows to the root drop by drop. Houses where there is less space to grow even a small kitchen garden can use any useless pots that can grow small vegetable plants that do not require a large space to grow. These three processes, earthship, electricity and kitchen gardening, provide means to sustainable living where every individual take part can live a happy, healthy and affordable life.